on
She's
LinkedIn.
appearing for NCT.
Yes, Your Lordship.
She was here just now.
Yes,
Milord,
Your Lordship.
one,
She went
one
to Your Lordship.
assistance, Milord. We have been representing 200 special educators from West Bengal, Milord. Milord, on the last occasion, RCI was asked whether RCI conducts any special examinations and all, Milord. He was not able to answer, Milord. We
would
have
like
filed.
to first get a clarification on the TET qualification.
Yes, Milord, on that, Milord.
Right.
Since Milord, RCI was asked whether RCI conducts any specific recruitments, RCI Council was not aware of it, Milord. We have filed a short affidavit whereby we have given 2021, there is a notification by RCI that they conduct their own recruitment, Milord. They
Very
have their,
good, but is it to be preceded by a TET?
no, Milord. That
RCI says no. If NCT comes and says yes, what is the position?
Milord, that has never been the position. It has
That
come
is
from
recognized in the order.
Yes.
This is
There was
recognized in
statute.
the order. How can you say?
Statute also.
After 2022, my lords, TT has been introduced. After 2022.
But let it be.
In the 2021-17 judgment, it is indicated that TET is a qualification which.
And Milord,
At that time, not there. At that,
For special educator.
No, in
It is.
2021, volume
No, no.
17.
No, 22 only. As far as special educator.
Please give us 2021, volume 17, page 1.
Lord, as far as the UP is concerned, Lord,
Let-
there is an affidavit by the state of UP. We are satisfied with that
Difficulty
affidavit.
is we could not call the matter at 3 o'clock and all council are now engaged. Amicus is engaged, Madam Bhatt is engaged.
for the West
We do
Bengal.
not know who appears for
Only,
NCT.
only Lord,
also, Milord, we should be told which
May I
state
say this?
is coming and asking them now.
UP,
We don't know
Lord,
what
the
is going
state
to
has filed.
We are not going to take the cases of any other state other than the two which are mentioned in our earlier.
Today UP is listed.
And NCT, we need a clarification.
and my
As
lord,
far as UP is concerned, Lord, two things. We are all appointed prior to 2013.
That issue.
And the state of UP has given a very categorical affidavit, Lord, to absorb all of us. Only they can be bound, Lord, to do it within time.
We have recorded in our last order that we were under a wrong impression that it is only RCI qualification that is mandatory.
No, so we are satisfying both, Lord. We are not,
If you are satisfying,
Yes.
yes, you are safe.
yes.
But there may be many who are not satisfying it. And land council says from 2022. Please see the guidelines, page 57, Madam.
In fact, my lords, I am also appearing in UP. We have all the qualifications, my lords. TET,
Page,
RCI, everything.
page 57 of this 2021, volume 17. Says from 2022 it is made mandatory, it's already there in the 2021 judgment.
Milord, those
Very right.
who have been appointed since 2000.
Who made this submission that it is from 2022?
My
But
lords,
it's not
my
for UP,
case
it's
is
for
like
TET.
if you have all the qualifications.
Mr. Singh, if you have the book,
Yes, I have.
just see between D and E, placidum D and E. Guidelines for appointment of special educators, minimum educational qualifications, then see B. Pass in the teacher eligibility test to be conducted by the appropriate company.
Your Lordship.
So in 2021, it is recognized. How can anybody come with a submission that in 22, it has been made
In
mandatory?
my case, my lords, we have
was-
TET also.
Those who have it, well and good.
May I, before the
special
NCT comes,
educator.
Lord, may I just add
But not
with
just
great
only
respect,
special educator.
even as per the RCI Act, Lord, the TET is mandatory, even as per the RCI.
Is it?
Yes, Lord.
No.
I will just,
Sure.
RCI as well as Lord, Right to Disabilities Act.
Sure.
Yes, Lord. Lord, so will kindly have the
Lordship, right.
RCI Act, Lord.
Lordship.
So I will have to, frame my arguments to that effect, Lord, because kindly have the,
Just show us the act.
yes, Lord, kindly, I
You
have
a-
filed it.
You have a physical copy?
Lordships, I have filed it, my lord, in my additional documents.
RCI Act यहाँ पे नहीं होगा.
No, RCI.
Just find out the additional document.
देखना बॉडी ऑफ जजमेंट
IN number 301673.
21 के ऑर्डर में नहीं है।
मेन जजमेंट
For 200 special educator, at least 5 minutes we assigned to us to address, my lord.
Code file.
But as far as we are concerned, not we even have TET, so that's what.
You have it, you are safe. Say that.
And the state is ready to do it, only they should be made time bound, because we are working a lot more than 20
We
years.
have by the last order injuncted appointment of any candidate.
So injuncted is one
Not
part. Not
If
injuncted
anybody
is
has
one part.
TET,
But-
if anybody has qualified in terms of the
No, that is one part.
Go ahead with the appointment.
The appointment which they had undertake to do, the some time bound direction meeting, otherwise they'll never do it. That's our problem.
My lord, state of UP was asked to file an affidavit, which is about the cutoff date of 2016, my lord. Now they have filed an affidavit to comply whatever directions come from my lords. This 2016 date was not there in the order date 7th of March 25. So what I'm respectfully submitting, we are also working for a period. We have all the qualifications, my lords. They have said in para 4 that TET, RCA, we have got all the qualifications. We are only saying this cutoff date should not be there, my lords. We are also working for a good period of.
Till the last week, we were not shown this particular passage
I see that. Lord.
from this 21 judgment. We were proceeding on the basis that 7th of March order records RCI qualification is mandatory. Therefore, whoever is having RCI qualification can be appointed.
Milords, may I say this, Milords? In the order dated 21/7/2022, Milords, the guidelines as submitted by the RCI has been accepted by the Union Government, which has been recorded in your Lordship's order. In that, Milord, the qualifications are only the educational qualifications, and they have said the recruitment process may be through CTET or TET. Not meaning thereby that if there are many candidates, Milord, with the said educational
Arrange
qualifications, the process of recruitment could be, Milords, through the channel of TET. But, Milords, TET can never be an essential qualification for the reason that, Milords, special educators, they are even appointed under the inclusive education at the secondary stage between classes 9 to 12. Lord, in that case, Lord's NCT does not even have jurisdiction to lay down Lord's educational qualifications beyond class 8. And Lords, if your Lordship sees in the first notification of NCT in the year 2010, they have specifically mentioned that with respect to special educators, only those qualifications as required by RCI will be mandatory. And RCI says that they have
No, I'm
these
for that.
approved institutions as well as courses which are necessary for Milords qualifying yourself as a special educator, and only they can teach the special children. But therefore, if your Lordship sees the order dated 21/7/22, it is very clear. Educational qualifications do not use TET. And in your Lordship's previous orders, but it is mentioned that there is a dearth of special educators with TET. There are those who are having TET in large numbers, but they are not having the special qualifications as required under RCI. And if your Lordship's order dated 7/3 is to be taken into consideration, but there are those who are working for the last 25 years, but they could not have had TET Milords when they were first appointed. So your Lordships have asked for regularization of such persons. But therefore, this requires Milords the one
Madam, on
hand.
7th of March, the bench was not at all apprised about the TET qualification.
Because Milords, the order is a
If the
elongation
bench proceeds
continuation.
on a misappreciation of the legal requirements, this is the result.
My lord,
Nobody has pointed out.
no, my lords, in
Milords, with great
Then
respect,
21st
that
order-
order.
7th March order does not even refer to it.
my lords,
Yes,
on
yes, Milords, with great respect.
21st of
That's
July
a-
2022
That's a
order, my lords, there
continuation
is
of
already
the order
TET.
dated
It was
21/7.
already there.
That was shown to us
Your Lordship,
last week only.
21/7
July
order, your Lordship.
22 order was shown to us last week only.
Yes,
My lords,
yes,
RCI
Not
qualification
shown to
includes TET.
Bench taking up the matter on 7th.
My lords, my submission is that RCI qualification includes TET.
Your Lordship, if your Lordship will
NCT
permit.
has been put on notice, what is the office?
Your Lordship.
She's there.
So she is
we are for
appearing.
NCT
The SG is
Your
appearing.
Lordship, if your Lordship may permit, may I assist your
You are
Lordship?
appearing for NCT.
Yes, your Lordship, on behalf of learned ASG Ashway Bhati, ma'am.
Achha, what is
NCT.
your instruction,
Your
madam?
Lordship, the instructions are that we have also made it mandatory that CTET is mandatory for appointment of teachers.
Special educators.
Yes, your Lordship, for
This is their
every
role.
teachers. Your Lordship will place it on record, your Lordship. Your Lordship, our examination
You
has
don't
also
have
been
it with you
conducted.
right now.
No, your Lordship.
These are all must be statutory
Yes, your Lord.
regulations. What is the use of placing it on record? You should have come with 2 copies for us, 1 copy for you.
Yes, your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'll just.
Where is Mr. Malhotra?
He's on his election code 14, my lords, doesn't matter.
We have prepared a chart, my lords.
Very well, Mr. You have a chart. Mr. Grover, you are ready with West Bengal?
Yeah, for West Bengal, I
You
can,
have, what does your chart say?
We have prepared a chart with the last order.
West Bengal.
Your lordships had directed us to file whether TET is mandatory.
we have.
Acha, that is on a separate.
Give us one copy.
That is on a
There is
separate.
one more request for NCT Delhi, that if your lordship can grant us 6 weeks to publish the result, because there are some
Last time
direct.
it was said 2 weeks.
Yes, your lordship.
We granted 2
Your lordship, we have also.
My lords, we are existing teachers from Delhi, my lords.
Why do you want 6 weeks now, madam?
Your lordship.
Last time, firstly, it was submitted 1 week.
Yes,
We
your
started dictating the order 1 week. Immediately, there was an interjection, make it 2 weeks.
your
We
lordship.
made it 2 weeks. Now you're saying 6
Your
weeks?
lordship, we have filed an application. It has not come on record because it has been filed yesterday. So.
Not for Delhi, I have to make a submission. We are the existing teachers. Now, the point is, what they might do is, the moment the result is declared, we have been working, some of us from 13, 14, then 18, 21, and thereafter. They may relieve us. That will be in the teeth of your 7th March.
But you have TET.
Yes, we have TET, we are RCI qualified, we are fully qualified. So we are only saying, my lord, they have more than 1,127 vacancies. Their result is, your lordship have permitted them result for 450. We are only saying, my lord, that if we may not be relieved till then, because your lordships had expressed some reservation that 7th March, your lordship may want to have another look at. That is one thing which I'm aware of. But all the same, my lord, let them not disturb this status quo. We have been working from 13, 14, some of
We are seeking further 5 weeks' time to publish the.
I'm quite happy.
You are saved.
I'm quite,
You are saved.
I'm quite happy, my lord. But
If their results are not ready,
Yeah.
even if we direct that publish it within 1 week, they will not be in a position to do that.
no, therefore, my lord, my only fear is your lordship may have another look at 7th March. We will try to persuade your lordship that we are fully qualified. We are TET plus RCI. So we may not only be relieved now in the guise of this declaration of result.
Very well. You have some more breathing time? Just wait.
All right.
As
All
far as
right.
TET is
Let
concerned,
let us come with the 2 states, West Bengal and which state was to respond today? West Bengal and? West Bengal and Odisha.
My lord, may I be excused? My lord?
Posts which were advertised, exercise over, the result will be declared by CET as well as RCET.
This is what they are asking for, another 5 weeks' time.
They may declare, but my submission was that if the entire result can be declared, there 946 scholarships are directly declare result of only 500. But there are more than 1,100 posts vacant. So let this process come to a logical end. This is pending since 2023. Well, all the endeavors of this honorable court was.
The recruitment exercise was undertaken for 900 vacancies or 500?
Vacancies.
So, madam, you will be declaring the result for all 941?
No, your lordship only directed us to give the result for 500 because there was some discrepancies with regards to how much weightage will be given.
Let the entire result be declared. It is not going to prejudice anyone. And these are all competent
We'll
teachers.
consider that.
If you come in the 500,
TET
your grievance is taken.
TET aspect lordship are taking on later on, because otherwise lordships, I will, as per the lord
Madam, what
RCI
is
Act.
the information office report about service on NCT?
NCT.
Your lordship, I am appearing for NCT Delhi.
Why
Not
NCT
NCT.
Delhi? What does NCT Delhi?
NCT Delhi, your lordship.
Ah,
NCT.
NCTE. Who is for NCTE?
Just one submission, my lord, just.
Don't add it to it.
we don't want more confusion.
आया है क्या कोई ऑफिस रिपोर्ट? Services awaited.
Mr. Malhotra is
Just,
not
as,
there.
just
Bengal
clear
का दिखा दो ना हमको.
clear the air on
दो हमको.
TET, lord.
I have not seen.
It's
I
the
mean,
last-
send it to-
For Tamil Nadu, your lordships will give me any one day.
My lord, just one submission, my lords, for UP. The state is there. My lords, just have a look at the 18th of November order. My lords said, ask them to
What
file
does
and
it
that
say
can be
there?
over. Just have a look at the para 7, my lords.
There's
Read it out.
affidavit.
Read it out. Read it out.
Yes, yes. Mr. My lord.
TET mandatory, that's all.
Yes, sir. Well, they had, my lord, they had filed an affidavit saying cutoff date of 2016 because of Rajneesh Pandey. And my lords had specifically asked them a query at para 7. Mr. Mukherjee shall also obtain instruction via cutoff date filing of writ petition, then it has been fixed for purpose of considering appointments of candidates appointed on daily contractual basis. Now they have filed an affidavit as per para 11 of the affidavit. They are agreeing. They are ready to abide by any direction of this court. Now, no direction was given by my lords earlier. A cutoff date has to be fixed. I have all the qualifications. I have been.
Now that they leave it to the court, there will be no cutoff date.
Yes.
I'm so.
Right? But we will not permit any candidate to be appointed without a TT
So grateful. I have all
qualification
the qualifications.
unless NCTE comes up
So great.
and says that yes,
I have all the
TET
qualifications.
is not an essential qualification
Yes.
for.
I have all the
For-
qualifications.
for
Exception will
state
be
of
not
UP,
prior
not
to
there is-
whenever this TET was made mandatory, prior to that.
We do not know unless they come, how do we?
Yes, they'll have to.
For state of UP, may I suggest
What
something?
it was,
It's quite
we
important.
were under
For
the
the
impression
state
it
of
came in
UP,
22.
they have published the total vacancy of 5352. But Lordship, the total qualified candidates are only 732. Now, we are also not qualified candidates. What they are saying that the rest of the candidates who are working on contract basis, whenever they will get the TET qualification, they will be observed. My humble submission is when I already have the qualification, we already have the qualification, not why to wait for those TET, RCI, everything. No, they should not wait for those unqualified candidates, wait for 2 years, let them qualify.
Your submission that you are qualified will not help. It is for them to verify whether
Yes,
you are
of course,
qualified or
of course.
not.
Let them call for them, Lord, applications. We are there, we are always there, Lord.
Let us start with West Bengal. Mr. Grover, where is your
Yes, Lord,
affidavit?
we have filed a compliance affidavit. Lord, we are only last stage now, appointment. And
Your notification says
Lord,
everybody
first
should
of
have
all,
TET.
yeah, sanctions for both primary and secondary done. It's in the compliance affidavit, which is dated pursuant to your lordship's order of 7th May and 15th July of 2025.
Your lordship may also have the chart,
Yeah. And TET is mandatory.
serial number 21, page number 9.
She's given-
TET is mandatory. TET is mandatory, that's all. And my lord, the amicus curiae also agrees that we have complied with everything. Only thing that remains is now final exams and.
My lords, we are for
demonstration.
existing teachers from Bengal.
Serial number 21.
Yeah.
21, yes.
Yes.
You are
21.
For existing teachers of West Bengal, my lords.
existing teachers. Let us see.
Our screening has been done.
Chart says sanction post is 5298.
Both are done, primary and secondary.
Primary, secondary breakup is there.
Invited
Notification is
applications also.
April.
RC
Appointment.
qualification stated. Contractual are 110.
Contractual are there, my lord. They are being catered for according to your law.
Where is your notification, Mr.
Yeah, my lord, your lordship will see in the affidavit, compliance affidavit dated 25th August 25. 26th August 25. Notification, my lord, is annexure P1,
Page.
page 8.
8.
That's for sanctioning the post. First two, P1 and P2 are sanctioning the posts.
Yes, this is the
And P3
post
is,
creation memo.
yes.
Then
Then there are two notifications. A post can, then notification for different, then rules, my lord. The rules are there. And your lordship will see in the rules itself, TET is mandatory at paragraph 11. That is for secondary, and then P4 is for primary. Again, rule TET test is at page 21 and at item 884.
just above 11, candidates who have already passed TET and otherwise eligible for the post may apply for the post.
Yes.
So this is there.
Yeah, yeah. Then, my lord, P5 is the notice issued for,
So what stage have you reached by now?
no, my lord, we have we have invited applications from both primary and secondary. They have to go to the last stage of holding a written exam and demonstration. That has to be done. There is written, oral and demonstration. That's the only thing remaining, and then the appointments will be made. Lord, this is the additional, just pass this on. Lord, these are the additional notifications pursuant after this affidavit that we have filed.
May I have a copy?
You've got a copy?
Thank you.
Lord, first one is the inviting applications, and there the scheduled dates were indicated, my lord. At page 2, bottom. And the tentative schedule also is indicated at page 10. And then, my lord, direct recruitment at page 11 for primary. Then, my lord, there was a variation, and that's why there's another notification. And as far as the existing contract teachers were concerned, the screening committee had been established, and that's in the affidavit, my lord. And the minutes of that meeting, which were held later on 10th September, are also there. And if your lordship will see at page 15 of that compilation of documents, we have given the list of the existing candidates and reasons for sending 37 back because they didn't have the qualification. I'm not
Where
going.
is that?
So, my lord, page 15 at D. Yeah. There was a slight variation in the numbers which we have explained, my lord. But these are the candidates who had come forward. Reason for sending 37 back are given. These are the existing contract teachers. Yeah.
No, but these existing contractual teachers, do they have TT?
They have TT, but very few don't have it. Very few. We don't have the position like other states where they hadn't done it. They have done it. They were conscious. And we know the last stage is on.
But
And the learned amicus has also given a report that we have complied with everything.
Your lordship,
Except-
the only issue that remains at the end is that there's no data after screening, like the appointment.
No, that will come. Now this, Lord, we are pushing. Lord, as lawyers, we are pushing them. Your lordships will appreciate. States don't.
May I react?
I have a question. Come to page 24
Of the affidavit?
of your affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
This is a notice dated 21st August,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You issue this notice in compliance with the order of 7th March and say that TET will be held.
Those who don't have it.
Did you ever hold the TET for special educators at any point of time before?
No.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Did you? You are saying here, page 24.
Yes, 24 in terms of those who.
Compliance with the order of 7th March,
Yes,
you will be holding the TET of 2025.
yes.
Our question to you is, when did you hold the TET examination? Before issuance of this notice, do you have any?
No, my lord, we
You
are.
say that these candidates are TET qualified.
Huh.
This has to be a TET specific to special educators.
So, my lord, as far as the.
So if they have a qualification for general candidates,
No, then if.
that will not help.
No, they have to have TET. That's mandatory under the rules. My lord,
That has not
Your
been
lordship will
conducted, my
see.
lord.
Just 1 minute. Just to satisfy. Please see the rules, my lord. There are rules rules are at P3, page 10, and then TET is, I pointed this out. I'm sorry if you lordship.
Because your special education teachers recruitment rules 2025 comes only on 18th of March 25. Before that, there was no rule.
No, my lord, please
How
see.
do you ascertain that the candidates who are now aspiring to become special educators have participated and qualified in the TET, which you have conducted after this notification has come?
No, my lord, the point is, we actually frame the rules. If your lordship will just see the rules first.
Yes, we are on the rules at page 16.
Yeah, rule, annexure P3, rule 11. That is for secondary special educators, and rule 11. Conducting TET, etc., selection of candidates. That's the requirement. Candidates who have already passed apply for the post. On your lordship's specific question, I may take instructions, but
Yes.
in order to
Do that
satisfy your.
Because Mr. Grover states past history is not too encouraging so far as recruitment is concerned to this particular body, Full Service Commission.
No, 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 just see, as far as your particular query is concerned, I'll take some instructions, but please see rule 10. 10 and 11. 10 bottom. The candidates 10 bottom, my lord, at page 12. Candidates who have already passed TET and otherwise eligible may apply for the post. And
Who have
then,
already passed TET. Now, if somebody has passed TET for imparting education to students who are normal students, will that help?
no, if you have got TET for,
TET has to be on the basis that you are only going to impart education to a
special. Well,
Have you been tested on that?
I'll
Today, there,
check it up.
there may be somebody
Yes,
who has an RCI,
yes,
has passed the TET also
yes.
for teaching,
Special educators,
for teaching
disabilities.
normal students.
Yes,
They cannot be considered eligible for this special.
I'll take instructions on, that's a specific.
That
way.
has to be taken.
Yeah, I will do.
Otherwise, the entire thing goes.
Lord, may I react to my learned friends?
No, let's take
No,
instructions.
we don't want any reaction today, just.
Lord, then I'll make my,
Come with full instructions.
Lord,
No,
After you react.
on this we haven't got instructions.
I have
I'm
some,
to be candid with you.
Lord, I have some submissions on it, the very thing, questions that fell from the bench. May I just pass on what I've written? Lord, I've
Should
prepared a
put it
very
on
brief-
affidavit. This is,
No,
last
this is.
minute, how do I do
just-
anything?
No, no, just,
You should appreciate, you have appeared for the government, how governments function.
Lord, Lord, my submission is to answer my Lord's question. No TET was conducted before. No special TET was conducted before. These are candidates who have been 16 to 25 years teaching without a TET. And in West Bengal, my Lord, a peculiar situation arises where even earlier than 2012, general teachers were also. So my submission is, would you please grandfather these people and have them appointed without the TTT and give them 2 years to qualify, if you would
We'll
like.
see.
My submission is even that post-appointment qualification may not apply because in West Bengal there are a number of general teachers without TET.
Where have you said that you are RCI qualified?
Lord, we are throughout. That's not negotiable. Screening has been conducted for us. I had said, my lord, in
Yes, yes.
verification paragraph 4.1, screening has been conducted for us. Our diplomas were checked and we are on the verge of being appointed when the CET came in.
Consider whether, as we had directed in that other matter for the normal children, that those who have not
2 years.
TET, they will be given a 2-year.
Yes.
September order.
My lord has granted
Specifically,
that
I
and I'm
asked that,
grateful.
but I
But
don't know.
here, my lord, another situation where even normal teachers don't have TET in West Bengal if they were appointed before 2012. So would you please place me on par with that? Anybody appointed before 2012, they need not have TET. After
I don't-
2012,
I don't-
they have TET with 2 years.
Have to acquire this qualification.
Yes.
2 years.
Yes,
I
my
think
lord.
that's the modus your lordships have suggested. We'll take instructions on that. No difficulty.
We should have expected amicus to come by now.
He was honest like otherwise he was here before, Manoj.
He may have been
He
there.
was here.
When he's the amicus, he has to leave aside, otherwise.
Whose is this?
Manoj, just a small request in the matter.
It's just inconclusive for the day. We'll take it up on next Tuesday once.
Oblige.
Manoj, by the last order, your lordships had directed us to make a chart stating TET mandatory. Out of them, we have already, we have only received for 11 states. Out of that, one, Sikkim has not made it mandatory.
Who has not made it mandatory?
Sikkim, state of
Sikkim has not made it
Yes.
mandatory.
Yes.
My lord,
And we have not received
my lord, my learned friend has, just before that, my lord, my learned friend has tendered this. We don't know who this gentleman is appearing for. This is a problem. No affidavit, nothing. We don't know. who
Look,
we
this
are.
was a brief in reaction to what my learned friend said in the court. It's not nothing more than that. I can file an
Tell me, who
affidavit.
are you appearing for?
Lord, we are appearing for 1,100
name?
qualified petitioners who have been screened. I'll file an affidavit. There's no.
Screening is going on in state of UP, my lord. Now, this campus have all the qualifications. Since it has been left to my lodge.
Nobody will miss the bus. Why will you miss the bus?
Screening is right now going on my lodge.
The screening is going only for,
They want that you should be appointed even if you don't have TET and
the
qualified.
problem is screening is going only for contractual
If
work.
it's affected, come up with an affidavit.
Let's, may I have,
My
a-
lord, in West Bengal,
Let them file
there
an
are
affidavit.
let's, may I have your lordship's leave to mention item 41, my lords. It's not the teacher's matter.
You can't- just
I'll
name-
file an IA. I'll file.
Then name. Huh? Next Tuesday to hoga nahi. Next Tuesday I'm with Justice Sandeep Mehta entire day.
Let's, may I mention item
It will
41?
come up on 16. It will come up. Today we are not passing any direction. Matter will come up on 16th at
May I mention item?
At 3 or 3:30, my lord.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Tamil Nadu.
My lord, that short affidavit be on record.
My lords, Delhi teachers may be protected. My lord, Delhi teachers.
Mention item